Hi, this is Darryl Peterson, and I'm the manager of the Applications Engineering Department here at Micromeasurements. This afternoon, I'm with one of our newest engineers. This is Benjamin Ash. And I wanted to take a few minutes and introduce Benjamin and you to some of the new products that we've been working on. So recently, we have released a type of strain gauge. This one, I'll read the part number for you. It's a C5K06125LK50C. And this is a 125 size C5K construction. It means it has Karma foil. But the most important part, and the thing I want you to see from this, is that now the resistance is 50C, which means it's a 5,000 ohm strain gauge. Now, this 5,000 ohm strain gauge, when you flip it around and you look at them, they look about like any other strain gauge. But the unique part of this is that the resistance is so high that now some of the common sources of error that you may run into may not be an issue anymore if you transition to a 5,000 ohm strain gauge. Now, one of the common questions that we get about 5,000 ohm strain gauges, well, how do I connect it into my electronics? Let's say you're using an instrument that's designed for a more traditional 120 or 350 ohm strain gauge. How do you configure it? Well, along with the 5,000 ohm strain gauge, we've also released this new product, which is a bridge completion module that's intended for completing the bridge for a 5,000 ohm uniaxial strain gauge. It can complete it for a quarter bridge as well as a half bridge, and let me show it to you. It comes in this red packaging, and I'll just open a red bag, and it comes in a little box. And if I just open it, here's the module. This module is called an MRF-50C130. This MRF-50C130 is a small circuit inside of it that has 3 5,000 ohm resistive elements. Now, what this allows you to do is that you can connect. You'll notice that it's got more than just a couple of tabs on it. And the reason for that, it's got all these tabs, is that you can take this bridge completion module and you can run 4 wires from your instrument into the bridge completion module. Those 4 wires would be P plus and P minus for excitation, S plus and S minus for signal. And then from here over to your strain gauge, you run 3 wires to connect in the 5,000 ohm strain gauge to this bridge completion module. So this is a very clean, simple way in order to be able to connect 5,000 ohm strain gauges into your electronics, even though it may not be configured for that. So here, I'll let you take a look at that.
Thanks, Darryl.
But if you'd like to find out more about the bridge completion modules or 5,000 ohm strain gauges, please feel free to reach out to us through our website at www.micro-measurements.com, or you can pick up the phone and call Applications Engineering at 919-365-3800 and follow the prompts till you get to Applications Engineering. Thank you.